beautiful morning on our anniversary, eighth year of heaven. So beautiful. There's my wife with her hat. Nice and early-ish in the morning. Do you remember what time it was when we left?
I looked at the clock, but it's 7:15, and I thought, no, it's not that
No,
early.
it's not.
So I thought you said it was just before 8, so it must be between 8 and 9, I'm thinking.
Mm-hmm. Just doing a panorama. We're leaving today, unfortunately. Actually, fortunately for Eileen, she's not been comfy in the bed. Look at this. So beautiful, man. Let's go down to water level. Love this. Let's go into the water a bit.
It's a beautiful view today.
8 years ago today, we said, I do.
I do.
And I would do it all over again 100 times.
Me too.
Love you.
It was a special day for sure.
It was. Loved Andisa's post today. She said one of the 3 best weddings she's ever attended. Shame we couldn't go to hers. Oh, I love this. I've seen that wave runner over there coming flying this way. Wish we could see some dolphins. Just think, this goes all the way to Mexico. Cloud disappeared, the one that looked like it had writing on it. What I did was I had to take it out of the casing, take the battery out, put it back in, then it worked.
Oh, it's done that. It's done something a bit weird.
I don't know, just now it keeps freezing up. There's my beautiful wife floating in the water here at Treasure Island. What a beautiful day. And tomorrow I start my new job.
Yeah, you do.
I'm actually excited. Elaine asked me about that this morning.
She did?
Mm-hmm. Look at this. Oh, I love this.
I'm glad we got our butts out of bed and came down there.
Yeah, me too. Beautiful morning, beautiful morning. Start filming.
Well, there we have a treasure floating in the ocean.
Stranger.
A stranger treasure.
I resemble
Enjoying.
that remark. calling me a strange person.
Here we are, enjoying
Oh, I gotta dip my lip.
the last day of our vacation. We always have something else planned in the background though. What's the next vacation?
Yeah.
Where's the next place we're
I
going
can't
to?
wait to go to Lisbon. That's what I'm really,
Yep.
really looking forward to.
For sure.
Is exploring Portugal.
Don't think the ocean's going to be quite as warm as this one though.
No, it's definitely not gonna be. That's for sure. Do you want me to grab it?
It's still running.
Oh.
Well, here's to a wonderful vacation with my husband. Oh, lost it. But I think it's just a picture print.
Well, can
Love
just
you,
touch the
husband.
screen. Love you too. My wife floating in the sea. Floating in the sea. She got a blister on her foot. Where is it? Yeah. Can't really see it.
No.
Can't really see it.
Is your head getting hot?
No. That's why I cooled down. We're moving down. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Were they close?
I wonder if it was a dolphin now. Pretty much really looked like. Yeah,
There, yeah.
See? Thought I wasn't seeing things.
See, now that other thing the other day
didn't do that at all.
did not do the
That was a
dolphin
big
jump.
For sure.
There's a bunch of little fish here, hon, coming towards us. Now that's actually when you get, you know, if you're going to get bit by a shark, it's going to be because they're chasing these little bait fish. Oh, I wish he'd come up again. I don't even know if I caught him. And you got to keep the camera rolling.
Actually, how cool would be if you could swim up and swim with them.
I wish he was coming this way.
They always seem to be going opposite directions.
Should we head to the pool? Because we're going to have to pack and get going. I don't even know what time it is.
Yeah, it could be 9. Could be after 9.
Okay, I think that was it. Let's head back to the towels. Well, at least we got to see one.
Yeah. Really is the best time to come to
Ooh,
the
that
beach.
sun is bright, man. Reflecting on the water.
Look, it's amazing. Look at the shapes that the waves make.
Yeah.
Take a picture. It looks very cool.
Well, it's not a picture, but it's video.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, this is probably, I would say, the one thing I would really miss about Florida.
Yep.
Are the beaches here.
Yep. I tell you, even swim on the beach often in Port Elizabeth because the water was so cold.
I did. I swam once because I wanted to swim in the Indian Ocean.
Once in 14 months.